Magic in the air. Oh, yes. Yes, today's video is all about how to manifest your dream job. You might be thinking, why I'm wearing a blazer today? Yes, so whenever it's a matter of career, job, specifically your dream job, the job you want to have, you have to be very, very particular. What are you wearing? How you are sitting, your body language, your eye contacts, each and everything matters. So watch the video till end because I'm gonna share offer letter technique, something which is very simple and you can have your dream job within 30 days the way I got mine. So who can apply these 3 steps? Anyone who is just fresher, passed out from the college and looking for a job, anyone who is laid off from the current job and now in the job market hunting for jobs, or someone who is expecting promotions or raise in their pay structure. They can also apply this 3-step easy technique because I have done it and I did it for 30 days and it worked miraculously for me. Then thought of sharing with you all. Okay, before I'll start with the 3 steps of job manifestation technique, let me tell you what you need first. That has to be crystal clear in the mind. So what kind of job you want, what position you want to work on, that has to be very much clearly defined in your mind, and there's no harm if you will write it on a piece of paper that yes, I want this particular position. For example, you want a job of business analyst or project manager, product manager, or you may need to assist someone, or you are looking for a teaching job. You have to be very specific that I want to work, or I'm working as a maths teacher, or I'm working as a science teacher, or if you are working as a software developer, then I want to work as a software developer. So be very, very specific that what nature of job you want. Then second thing comes, why you want this job, why really you need this job. You have tens of reasons, so reason should be clear that I want to pay my rent, I want to pay the bills, I want to live my life in this manner, I want to have shoes, I want to have clothes, I want to pay for my car insurance. So there are many reasons, so be clear with what reason that I want this position, I want to work for this position, and why I want this job. That should be very much clear. Then we'll follow the next 3 steps. So to follow the offer letter technique, you need to write an offer letter on a sheet of paper, or you just type it on your laptop. How you'll write? Hello, your name. We are pleased to offer you this position. Write that position, the name of the position, and our esteemed organizations. Welcome on the board. At the below bottom, just write down HR, Human Resource Manager. That's it. Simple. That's what is the offer letter that you want to have for your own self. This is one of the steps that you have written offer letter. Now, daily 10 minutes, what you have to do. Step 1. Step 1 is you are writing a list of positive aspects in your life. Step 2, you are going through your offer letter. And step 3, for 5 minutes, you have to listen the money affirmations. I'll elaborate all these 3 steps. Step 1, you are writing the list of positive aspects. Now you will say, oh my God, Sunita, how the life is going on, so sad, there's no job, I am already in depression. What is good about it? What is positive about it? I understand because I have gone through that phase. Doesn't matter, but something positive is definitely happening. Like, yeah, you're breathing, inhale and exhale, this process is going on, this is positive. So write down, I am thankful that breathing is happening for me easily. I have a house, at least I have a shelter to stay. This is the positive thing. I have water to drink. This is the positive thing. I am getting food. This is the positive thing. Still, I'm having internet connection, or I can go to some cafe or some library where I can use the internet and I can apply for jobs. This is the positive things. I have a phone with me from where I can put my resume on LinkedIn and other platforms so that I can get some more kind of job offer or offer letters or interview calls. So whatever, small things. I know that this phase is very difficult. It's very difficult to look for even a single positive aspect, but it's not as that tough. If you will think, you will definitely find. those who are fresher in the market, just passed out from the college, then what kind of positive aspect you can write? You can write about positive things for your college life, that you had got a very good education, you got good marks, you are thankful. That is the positive thing. You are looking for a particular designated position. That is also a very positive thing, because there are a number of people, those who are looking for lower category of jobs, and you are looking for higher. So there are many things that are happening positive in your life. You can mention that. Okay, those who are laid off from their jobs and now thinking that what is positive in my life, you can write down, think of positive things that happened in your previous job. Might be your colleagues were very nice, right? I'm thankful, that was very positive. Might be you have learned some good skill at that time. Mention about that. Yes, I'm thankful that I have learned this particular skill in my previous job. So in this way, when you look for it, you will find out. If those who are already in a job and looking for promotion, they can write, be thankful that I'm already in a job. There are a number of people, those who are looking for a job. So that is one positive aspect happening with them. So when you will look for positive, you can definitely get. So in this way, write at least 5 positive aspects. Step 1. Step 2, offer letter. The offer letter that you had written for yourself, I told you previously, just read that with happiness. The kind of happiness you'll have when you actually achieve it. Visualize that scenario, that yes, I got it, and have that feeling and feel happy even for a fraction of a second, but create that happiness within you. Step 3, listen to the money affirmations. I have also recorded on my channel. You can go to that, or you can listen to Bob Proctor's money affirmations. But it's better not to hear all these money affirmations in your own voice, in your own sound. There are other money affirmations available on the YouTube. You can go through that. And about money affirmation, that why you have to listen in someone else's voice, because sometime when you say, I am receiving more money, I am receiving increased amount of money in my life on continuous basis, and you are not believing it, because you will say, your conscious mind will say, it is not happening, I'm not getting any amount of money, then it is not happening. But when you listen in someone else's voice, and that person has already done, so you have your mind, your conscious, your subconscious brain has that kind of confirmation that it is being done for him. So if it is done for him or her, it can be possible for me. So if I can do it, you can also do it. Let me recapitulate the entire 3 steps. Number 1, you are sitting and writing positive aspects. I know you can do it. If you think it's easy, you can easily find, you can find it. List of positive aspects, at least 5. You can do more than 5 too. Second step, read your offer letter with that sense of happiness that yes, you have already got it. Step 3, listen to the money affirmations for 5 minutes. Do it daily before sleeping for 30 days. Get the results. I have done it. You can also do it. And I wish you all, those of you who are watching this video, will definitely are getting their job within 30 days. Thank you so much for watching the video. Keep sharing, and if you like, then click on the like button. See you. Take care.